police car light 3I/Atlas is far more terrifying than NASA admits. In the vast black ocean of the cosmos, something enormous is moving, silently, steadily, and with purpose. It's not a meteor. It's not a comet. It's something else entirely. When astronomers first detected 3I/Atlas, they believed they were witnessing just another interstellar visitor, a fragment from another star system, wandering through our neighborhood by chance. But as new data poured in from NASA, the European Space Agency, and the James Webb Space Telescope, one truth became impossible to ignore. 3I/Atlas is not what we were told. It's bigger, heavier, stranger, and far more terrifying than anyone could have imagined. The strangest object ever seen. Unlike any comet ever recorded, 3I/Atlas emits no consistent tail, shows unpredictable acceleration, and occasionally brightens for reasons scientists can't explain. One moment, it behaves like an inert rock, the next, it flares with energy, releasing bursts of light and radio waves that appear patterned. It's not random, said Dr. Helena Ortiz, a leading astrophysicist at the European Space Agency. It's as if something inside the object is controlling its energy output. That statement, published briefly before being removed from the ESA press site, ignited a firestorm of speculation. Could 3I/Atlas be artificial? Could it be some form of probe, or remnant, from a civilization beyond our own? NASA's silence in the data gap. For weeks, NASA has released almost no new data about 3I/Atlas. The last official update came nearly a month ago, a short, vague statement noting that the object is continuing its trajectory through the solar system. But behind the scenes, insiders have leaked reports of encrypted data streams, restricted access, and even temporary communication blackouts during James Webb's scans of the object. One anonymous mission analyst described the event. Something was detected in the deep infrared. It wasn't thermal noise, it wasn't reflection, it was structured. Then, the system went offline for over an hour. That blackout coincided precisely with the moment 3I/Atlas reached its closest alignment with the orbit of Mars, fueling theories that NASA may have seen something it doesn't want the public to know. What makes it so terrifying? So what exactly makes 3I/Atlas so frightening to astronomers? First, its mass. Initial estimates placed it at around 10 billion tons, already staggering. But refined measurements now suggest the true figure could exceed 33 billion tons, making it one of the densest known interstellar objects ever observed. That's not all. Its surface reflectivity indicates metallic properties, not ice or dust, and its trajectory isn't following a purely gravitational path. It's shifting subtly, almost as if responding to something unseen. Dr. Samuel Cheng from Caltech described it bluntly. It's behaving like it has guidance. And then there's the signal. Radio telescopes from Chile to Japan have detected faint, repeating bursts, evenly spaced, mathematically precise, and seemingly emanating directly from 3I/Atlas. NASA has neither confirmed nor denied the existence of these transmissions. The global reaction. As NASA and ESA stay quiet, independent astronomers and citizen scientists are filling the vacuum with theories. Some suggest the object could be a self-replicating interstellar probe, part of a long-forgotten alien technology. Others think it could be a derelict vessel, drifting for eons, now reactivated by solar radiation. Governments, too, seem uneasy. Several nations have temporarily restricted access to space tracking radar data, citing security measures. Meanwhile, private observatories report unexplained system failures when attempting to image the object directly. It's as if something doesn't want 3I/Atlas to be observed too closely. Is it coming closer? For now, NASA insists there is no collision threat to Earth, but orbital models tell a more complicated story. The comet's current trajectory brings it within the inner solar system, near Mars, then sweeping toward a potential flyby inside Earth's orbital path. If it maintains its present acceleration, 3I/Atlas could become visible to the naked eye within months, glowing like a wandering star crossing the night sky. But scientists warn that if it continues to defy gravitational prediction, that flyby could shift dramatically. Even a deviation of 1% could alter its path by millions of kilometers, possibly steering it closer to our planet than expected. Puzzle piece: secrets inside the object. James Webb's deep spectrum analysis revealed something astonishing: structured shadows across the object's surface. Instead of random geological features, these shadows align into linear, geometric formations, angles and planes that nature rarely produces. Dr. Elisa Grant from the University of Toronto said during an astronomy conference, "Either we're looking at a crystalline formation unlike anything ever found in the cosmos, or we're staring at the outer hull of a manufactured structure." Moments after her statement went viral, the conference website deleted her transcript. Coincidence? Maybe. But many believe NASA is suppressing similar data to avoid global panic. The implications. If 3I/Atlas is truly artificial, it raises haunting questions. Who built it? How long has it been traveling? And why now, why here, in our solar system, at this specific moment in human history? Astrophysicist Dr. Malik Hassan suggests a chilling possibility. It may not have been traveling toward us. We might simply have drifted into its path. This means humanity could be encountering an ancient object that has silently crossed the stars for millennia, an artifact from a civilization extinct long before Earth formed. Or worse, one that's still active. The coming months. In the next few months, telescopes worldwide will track 3I/Atlas as it enters the inner solar system. Scientists hope to determine whether its strange emissions and trajectory are natural or something else entirely. But the truth may come too late. If the object continues accelerating, it could pass Earth's orbit before we even fully understand what it is. The James Webb Space Telescope remains our best chance of uncovering the secret, but so far, the silence from official agencies only deepens suspicion. Whatever 3I/Atlas is, one fact remains undeniable. It is massive, mysterious, and terrifyingly beyond our control. And for the first time in history, humanity is forced to confront the possibility that we are not observing the universe alone. The universe might be observing us. Discovery of a cosmic monster. It started innocently enough. On a quiet night in early 2025, an automated telescope in Hawaii registered an object moving across the background stars, faint, fast, and heading toward the inner solar system. The data was flagged automatically and forwarded to NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies.